Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about different add-ons and extensions to support teaching and learning in education. The first extension I'm going to talk about is TLDR Summarize Anything. It summarizes web pages into shortened quarter pages, half pages, etc. And it helps differentiate learning for reading online resources for students. Students at any level of reading may find it useful to have a quarter page summary of a website to lessen the anxiety that comes along with reading an entire page. This tool helps with communication because it teaches students what summaries of information should look like at every level. The extension is Poll Everywhere. A lot of people know Poll Everywhere as a website, but now you can embed it directly into Google Slides. Poll Everywhere is an extension that can allow students to create polls directly into their Google Slides and is useful for students who are attempting to collect data to analyze and make conclusions on the results. The poll results can be easily shared between students. And further, this is an awesome assessment tool for teachers if Google Slides is their chosen presentation platform. Kaizena is a really cool add-on that teachers can use in a Google platform, and it's also useful for students as well. It's a creative platform that helps with feedback. Students or teachers can highlight sections and choose to type the feedback, and also includes spoken, written, and videos. Videos can be posted to supplement sections where the writer may have difficulty understanding a concept. So here you'll notice I highlighted constructively criticized, and you can make a short video or short audio clip that says what kind of feedback you want to give to your student. Type is an add-on that helps students write equations on Google documents. It's helpful when constructing more formal presentations of data and calculations. The equation editor has many of the same images that a student may use when using a school calculator, such as the fraction bar located at the top left. It also may help take away any kind of confusion that can come with long equations by helping students organize their work. The final add-on is Translate Plus. It's especially helpful for ELL students who may be trying to develop their writing skills. Students can highlight phrases and have them translated between two languages. If a student is trying to write a word but cannot remember the English translation, they can still type their thoughts and have their primary language translated to English. This instant translation can develop writing skills. Throughout my exploration, I found a few items that were important before recommending add-ons and extensions to students. Add-ons and extensions are not user-friendly for students who are using a tablet. So if the only technology source is a tablet, then it's impossible to download these extensions yet. Some add-ons are also not pre-approved by school administration. So if a student's only Google account is the school Google account, that means that a student may not be able to download certain add-ons without it being pre-approved by their administration. There are many add-ons and extensions that have similar features to the ones described above, and it's important to find the right tools that maximize support for teaching and learning. Have a nice day!